Hi, my name is Robert Schultz, and this is Biology and Ecology of Aquatic Systems, also known as BEAS. The course focuses on the ecology and history of the Brandywine River. Our information is housed in Schoology, yet our main grade comes from Infinite Campus. Each week, I will present our agenda on Schoology. I'll also have pertinent information. Right now, we're getting ready for our canoe trip. We also have our headquarters. Within headquarters, we have my contact information, our policies, and syllabus, which you are free to take a look at in your child's account. Right now, we're in the water quality unit. That will be one of the folders present in each marking period. As we finish each one of these units, this folder will move into marking period 1, where I also have each one of our weekly agenda. As we finish assignments, they will be housed in the assignments folder. Please refer to the headquarters, my contact information, and syllabus if you have any further questions. Thank you very much.